I'm going to show you how to make our flag bunting. So you're going to cut your fabric pieces out and lay them with the right sides together, the right side facing each other, and we're going to stitch down, across and back up the other side, and not across the top edge here. Do your little forwards and backwards at the beginning, stitch down. Always keep your needle down when you're doing the corners. So we've stitched around there, and now we're going to trim the excess off on these corners. So I'm going to cut across that point, and I'm also going to cut some of the excess off on these corners so that folds nicely there too. Same on this one. Trim your raw ends. Then we're going to turn that the right way around. So pop your fingers in, fold your corner and pull that through. And same all of those. Pop your corners out nicely. And then we're going to give it a twist. Going to grab your iron and just give that a nice press all over. And you continue on with your different shapes depending on how you're going to do your bunting. So we've just got a variety here just to show you. Now we're going to take our bias binding, fold that in half. We're going to do a zigzag stitch. So we're going to do this one here, 0.5 on this machine. 0.5. Okay, I'm going to make the length a bit longer. Fold it in half, all edges together. Stitch down your tail. Then we're going to stop and we're going to pop our first triangle or square as we've got here in, like this. Make sure it's all folded in half. Make sure that end stays in. When you get right to the end, stop. Then we're going to take our next one and we're going to pin that into position. We're going to use this gap is going to be our distance between each one. So I'm going to pin that there. Same thing, pop it right in the middle, fold that over, pop a pin. Okay. And then we can carry on machining down. Stop. Next one, same thing. This is our gap between each one. Take it, fold it in half, pin it, and fold it. And then you'll see you've got your nice bunting with equal distance between each one that you can then hang up.